go that way, that's fine. You gotta clear out this.
Hey, clear.
Clear.
Acá viene. Quítala.
Take it out.
Yeah.
If it lands right here, I'm gonna have to fucking...
No, por eso me quedo dejarla para acá.
Yeah, go. I'll follow you.
Yeah, I know.
Watch the road, people.
It's gonna go all the way around here.
You get hold. Yeah, probably, dude.
Está cabeceando.
Hey, get these rods out of the water. Get these rods out of the water.
Va para allá. Está bien, si te va para allá.
Watch knife.
Yeah. It's good. It's going that way. Javier para acá.
This ain't our first rodeo.
Está bien. Javier para acá.
We know what we're doing. See that bread skin right there?
I think it's a 7 gill, dog.
Let it go. Take it out.
Aquí viene. No, Javier para acá, está bien.
That's no white fucking.
It's not going under. It's straight down.
Bring it up.
Hold on. Let him work it. It's straight out. Let him take line. Don't push it.
Cántalo.
Don't push it.
Tire him out, Jose. Tire him out.
¿Hay otro gap?
Yeah, Jose's gap.
another
You
gap?
get the other gap.
We got another gap.
All right, he's coming down. He's right there.
Hey, where's the meter of the pillars? En medio de pillars.
You're right in the middle.
No, but he's going that way.
You're right in the middle.
Okay. Viene para acá.
Okay, go. All right, Julio. You got the other gap?
Julio, second gap.
Rod.
How did it? Whose rod is that?
Va para allá. Hey, pick up the rod.
Okay, hold on. Not that one.
Pick up the rod.
Sorry,
Va para allá.
You're good.
Did I hit you?
No, you're good.
I don't know. You take me for a ride, espérate. Está cantado. Sí, ahí viene.
Move.
Quero ver, para.
Don't look at it. Keep an eye on the pillars. Come on,
Keep that.
He's not a man. He's yours.
Excuse us.
What's wrong?
That's your bitch. He's not making you his bitch. That's your bitch.
Gotta be a 7.
What's up? 7
Watch
gil.
out.
Gotta be a 7.
Gotta be 7 gil.
Mira.
All right, right there. We see color right there.
Where's the middle of the pillars?
You're in the middle. Right there. He's right there.
Oh, shit. Oh, my God. Yeah.
Get that.
Get him. That's all we do is shark hunt.
Get him. There you go. Oh, no. Hold on. He's... Bring him back. Bring him back. He's coming back.
Bring him back.
He's right by the pillar.
Okay.
Right there.
Gaffer, Julio.
Hey, come take the rope.
Come this way. Watch out. Back.
Come this way.
Go.
Vete.
Come over.
Go. Va del otro lado. Vete.
There you go. Right here. Come on.
Tíralo para allá el gap.
Ooh. He's shaking his head.
Tíralo para allá el gap. Throw it.
Now. Come on. Go. Up. There, you got him.
No, throw the other gap.
Other gaff. That's a big boy, buddy.
You got it. Pull it back.
I'd bring him up, man.
Ahí, está bien. Drop it.
Up. All right, No, you got the other gaff now.
Oh, shit, cabrón. No, ahí está.
There, hold on. Bring. I think you got him.
I got a gap.
Bring him up.
No.
He's up. He's coming. Free spool.
Yeah, I got him free spool.
Okay. He's coming.
All right, boys.
All right.
No, yeah.
He's gonna be a swinger.
Move, Kiyoki.
You want to back up?
Move, Kiyoki.
You got one hook in it. Watch that mouth. That's a big motherfucker, dude. Watch it. Hey, he's got his mouth wide open. Hold on, the gas just came out. All right.
Ay, look at that.
Oh, my shit.
Mate. Hey, help. Move,
No, wait.
Move.
1, 2, 3.
Yeah!
Watch his mouth too.
Put up another guy. Best fight ever.
Good tilt. What's your list? I got the tilt. You got one out?
Hey, that was really good.
Hey, what's that? Happy Valentine's Day.
Take the hook.
Yeah. Fucking A.
It's in there. Woo! I'm not reaching my hand.
Take the hook.
Entra ali.
Yeah. That's pretty big. Fish tacos, everybody.
Hey, Jose, smile for the camera, bro. Yeah. Woo!
Hey, take a picture. Fuck, dude. Fucking went bizarre, dude.
I was like, fuck, dude.
Take a picture.